Okay, right. Now all of you able to see that CAD version, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now we will go for the second diagram. Right. Screen. Okay. So this is a diagram. Today we are going to draw. Here we can use our basic commands, uh, right? So the bottom, first we will start from the bottom. That will be easier. So totally 14 mm, totally 14 mm in the bottom. So line command, enter. You can able to fix the ortho. Ortho it will be easy. Ortho means F8. Okay, F8. That you can change the screen also. Screen is very high resolution. So first I have to limits. Okay, command limits. Enter. A lower left corner 0, comma 0. Upper left corner 420 cos 398 297. So I am making this as 100 cross 100. Then only we can able to draw. It will be easy. 100 cross 100. Then zoom all. Okay. Now mm, we have used the pan command. No pan. You can select this. Select and pan command. Now you can move this diagram here. Okay, understand now? Pan. This is pan command. Select the once again I will do that. Select the picture, then go for a pan command. Now you can move this. Okay, this is pan command. Okay, now for the line, enter first line. It is 14 mm. Again it is coming in that way 14. It's again very small, right? Mark limits 0. You can put 50 comma 50. Enter, zoom all. Mm, limits 50, zoom all. Now the line with 14 mm. Enter. Okay, 14 mm we have drawn. The bottom it is 14 mm, and again upward direction 3 mm. Enter 3. Okay, 3 mm we have drawn. Again left side we have to drawn with 3 mm, then 3 mm. Enter. So that 3. Then again we are having 4 mm. 4 mm. Okay, 4. Enter 4. Okay, then we have to draw a angled line. We don't know the distance. They have not given any distance as well as angle also. So okay, so up to that we have drawn. Then we can draw this left side line at 10 mm. So okay, okay, here 10 mm. So 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm. 10 mm we have drawn. Then afterwards you have to draw a arc with the uh, diameter of 4. Okay, so roughly I have drawn this line. Arc. 1 minute. For that, what you can do, the center point we can mark with a line. So uh, this is the point. What is a snap line? End point it is not marking correctly. Oh snap settings. Oh snap. End point. You have not mentioned that end point. So once again I came to the O snap settings. I have marked the end point now. Okay, because I cannot able to fix the end point. Here also some error is there. So small dimension change is there. So I am deleting this. Okay. With the scroll bar you can able to zoom and pan. Okay. Uh, uh, zoom out. Okay. Now line with now the end point is marking very well. Okay. From here 10 mm. 10 mm enter. Okay. The center point of the circle arc is 2 mm. So 2. I am putting 2. Okay. Now I can fix the circle or arc. Okay. Arc. Okay. C enter. It is asking for the center of the arc. This is center of the arc. Okay. Then we have to fix the 2 mm in the end. Enter. Then this is the end point. I understand now. Once again, I will repeat this. How to draw this arc. So going for the arc command. Then C. C is there no center. So uh, C enter. So I am marking the center point. Then it is asking for the starting point. Starting point, they say 2 mm. Okay, totally 4 mm diameter. So I am fixing 2. Enter. Now starting point is given. Then it is a end point. Okay. So I got the um, uh, okay, right. Now okay. Now you have to draw a hexagon, or otherwise you will finish it. Now 2.4 right side. Now line with here 2.4 mm. Enter. Okay. Now we can join this two lines here. Okay, right. Now we have drawn this. Now we have to draw the polygon in the center. Polygon and the center point we have marked that is 2 mm. That is what I am fixing here. And we are going for a polygon command. Polygon. Where is the polygon? Within the rectangle, the polygon is there. So polygon number of sides 6. 6 enter. Number of sides 6. The diameter is 2. Okay. Now specify the center. Specify the center. Inscribe the circle. Now specify the radius of the circle. Radius of the circles means is 2 is a diameter. Now radius we have to give as a 1 mm. We have to give 1 mm radius. Okay. So this is a polygon we have drawn. Okay. Now we can mark on actually on point command is there. Wait. Point point enter. Make a point at the center. Okay. It is stuck on that. Okay, what is it? Once again, point. Point. Enter. Fix at that. Okay. I have fixed one point there. Delete and in the center one point is there, no? I think everyone can able to see that. And that point style can be modified. DDP type. Enter. You can change the style. The style they have given this style. Okay. So okay. Mouse having some problem, I think so. Okay, now we can change the scale of the point also. Point layer, no define quick properties. Hmm. We can change the scale. By changing the scale, we can properties. Now we can change the scale of the line size. One option will be there. No, geometry, thickness. Hmm. Actually, the size scale will be their own scale. Scale we can change the size because the size of the point is very much bigger size. So that is what I am trying. Didn't find the value. Okay. By changing the scale, this properties this property is not opening. Wait. Hmm. Something is happening. So up to that, all of you understand, no? So here also scale is not there. It is asking for right. So the next thing, we have to make a this fillet. We can make this a fillet in the side. Okay. So radius is 3. So we can go for the fillet command. Fillet or otherwise here. This is fillet. Fillet. It is asking for the radius. Here is it is there no radius trim like that. Uh, Radius R. Enter. Actually, we can do another one thing also. The end it has to be trimmed. Okay, I will do that. First, I will do the radius, then you can able to understand. Radius 3, enter, select this side and this side. Okay, now we uh, got the radius. Okay, now the thing is trimmed. Suppose you don't want to trim means you can go for no trim command. Automatically, this two lines will be there. Okay, right? Now we have drawn this line also. Now the only bending thing is we have to mark the dimensions line. We have to mark the dimension line. Dimension. Okay, dimension. Linear dimension. So from this point to here, this point will have the voltage. Now the size is very much bigger. We can reduce the size. Dim style. The command is dim style. Dim style. Enter. dim style limiter. Okay, it will new continue, or you can go for the modify command, modify symbols and arrows. We can reduce the size because size is very much higher. We can reduce to one. It will be, I think, correct, one, as well as the breaking size, arrow size we have changed. Then text size, text height, that is also one. Text height is also one. Okay, okay, close. Now it is changed. Okay. Again, this line length is also high. That can also be changed. Again, dim style, modify the distance. Okay, offset from dimension line. That is okay. Mm, symbols and arrows. Breaking size. You can make it as 2. Okay, so this way you can able to change the dimension line. Now again, linear dimension from here to here, 3 mm. The same way here, again enter, because linear only, no, this and this 3 mm and 4 mm inside. Again enter linear, uh, this 4 mm. Okay, right. Again here enter this point and this point, 2.4 mm. Then radius, hmm, uh, radius of the diameter கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. We have to go for a diameter of the circle. Okay, here. Okay, then again the dimension for this when hexagon, linear dimension we can able to give linear dimension from this point to this point. Okay, 2 mm. Okay, right. As well as this end, other end, we have to fix another one dimension is pending here at this point to this point. Okay, this is 10 mm. Okay, now still we can able to change the size somewhat smaller. Again it will be seen very neatly. Okay, all of you understand, no, this diagram? Okay, any doubt?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so you try this with your online AutoCAD. Do this problem. Okay, you can make it as a print screen, right? You make a print screen of this uh, page, then you can able to draw. Can able to print screen, no, now all of you take a print screen. This is a second exercise. Last class we have done one exercise. Now this is second exercise, right? You take as a print screen. Or otherwise I
Yes,
have
sir.
sent, no, I have sent the PDF to you. No, no.
No, no, sir.
Okay, so you take this print screen mode. Suppose you are having a cell phone, snapshot. You take a snapshot, right? Those who are having laptop, try to draw with this online AutoCAD, as well as in AutoCAD, and the online app is also available. I think so. Try that. Those who are having cell phone, you can do that with your hand also. I think so. I have not tried, but it is coming in the web. I have seen that. Suppose that option is there, means with your hand, I think you can able to draw. Try to do that. AutoCAD it is coming with online, means you can do that also. Just for practice, because now the colleges are not open. No, that is a problem. Once it is open, we can able to draw in our normal mode. Okay. So all of you understand, no? This is this problem. Again, we can reduce
Yes,
dimension,
sir.
dim style, dim style, modify again. We can reduce the size. Size is somewhat again higher. Arrow size we can able to. Okay, you can put zero point 0.5 is enough. I think so. 0.5. 0.5. Then text height also we can change into 0.5. 0.5. Action height. Okay. Here also we can change the decimal places also. 0, comma 0 like that we can able to change. Right? How many decimal we want. We can go ahead with engineering, architectural. Here with the dimensions we can able to do that here. Okay. Uh, so these are all the some of the basic things we are using here. Okay. 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 Now it is changed, no? The size is reduced. Okay. Right. The next one, we can go for the next another one diagram. So control A, delete, will delete everything. Then we can go for the next problem. Okay, next problem. Okay. So this is next your next diagram. I think I'll be able to see that, no? Right? 10 cross 6, the rectangle size, and again inside that what okay. Then 0.5 mm difference between the two rectangles. There we are having two rectangles are there. Uh, outer rectangle size is 6 cross 10. Then 0.5 is reduced. Okay, 0.5 reduced. Again, center we are having one rectangle and one other circle. Then we have to try a four circle with the help of the pattern. Now we will try that diagram. Okay, okay. Right? Now we can do that. Line, line command. We'll start with the line command. A line with a horizontal line of 10. Okay. Here we can draw line, horizontal line of 10 mm, 10, enter. Again upward direction 6 mm, enter. Then again 10, and I close that. Okay. Here we can do another one option, offset command. Already we have studied offset. We can use the offset command. That will be easier. Okay, this is offset command. Okay, offset. Click that. Offset with zero point 0.5 mm. They have given 0.5. 0.5 mm. Enter. Select that line. 0.5. Select 0.5. Select 0.5. Select and click. Select and center. You have to click. Outer or external. You have to move the cursor. Then click. Right now we have to trim that. Right. Okay. I have already told trim. TR double enter. TR double enter. Unnecessary lines can be. Then TR is this side, this side, this side, this side, this, this, and this side, this side. Okay. Now we have trimmed. Okay. Then the radius, how much they have given? Radius of 1 mm radius. Okay, 1 mm radius. Then we can go for the fillet. Again, go for the fillet command. Radius, enter, 1 mm. enter. Now select the two edges. Okay, same thing. Again, you can put enter. This enter this side and this side. Right. Now we have to draw a circle in the center. Circle in the center. Here we want to find the center of the circle. Right. So for that, line command. Now this is the center. Join up to this end. Now here you can able to find the center. Now circle. Now this is the center. Okay, this is center. The circle diameter radius is 2. Radius 2. Okay, so you can go with the radius r. Enter. 2. Enter. Okay, it's not coming. Circle center r of 2. Now we can delete the center line. Now no need of this center line. Okay, right. Now in the center another one we have to draw another one line, right? So for that again the center you can able to draw another one line. Like here another one option is there. You will see that afterwards. Okay, X line. Okay, right. Now uh, the rectangle size is 5.2, 5.2 and 1.2, 5.2 and 1.2, 5.2 and 1.2. Right. Mm, you can put on that line. No need to delete this. Now we have to draw the rectangle in the center. So for that we can go for the offset command. It will be easy. Offset. How much distance from the center? 5.2 means 2.6. 2.6 vertically. Enter. Okay. This here. This here. Okay. Then the central horizontally line we have to offset with 1.2 means 0.6, 0.6, 0.6. Enter. This here and this here. So much line is there, no? Then we can go for trim command, tr double enter. Now we can trim everything. Okay. Unwanted lines are trimmed and it can be deleted. This can be deleted. Okay, sorry. Ah, this should be deleted. Okay. Now unwanted lines can be deleted. Right. These are all the unwanted lines. Just click and delete. That's all. Yeah, others. Initially. And again, this part also you have to trim. So tr double enter. This part is okay. This also trim. Okay, right. Another one pending is there. You have to draw the circle. Circle. Okay. This circle is how much distance? That is a important thing here. Um, which is a diameter of 0.6 mm center circle and 1 mm diameter in the outside circle. Then the circle should be the center of this radius. Okay, so circle they have given the diameter of 1, diameter of 1. Enter. Okay, another one circle center diameter of 0.6, 0.6. Right. Now we can do the copy command. So already we have seen, right? Select, copy, copy. Then we have to go for the base point of the center. Now I can fix this center one. Here center is marking. Okay, center. Then F8 here. Okay, this center we can do. With the copy command, we have drawn the four circles. Okay, understand no? Then another two lines are there, no? For that also we can able to draw line, enter. Oh, the center point. Okay, from here to here, shift F8. This line, another one line from here. The reference line we have drawn here. Okay, right. Now these line types can be changed. Okay, click this line as well as this line. Change the line type of layer of the line. Uh, it is a central line like load. Okay, here we are having different types of lines are available. Different types of lines are available. We can choose from here. Okay, this is a line they have drawn. Okay, okay, okay. It's not changed. Sometimes scale problem will be there. There is central line. Now it is not visible. Now we can change the scale. Length is 12. Mm, okay, scale is not opening here. Properties. Actually, central line. One scale command will be there. And the scale, by changing the scale, it will be visible. But here it is not visible now. I think where it is. Okay, I'll tell. Actually, now we have changed the line type. Okay, the changing a line type, just to choose that line because it is a line type is given center to. Okay, we have changed this, but due to the scale problem, it is not visible. By changing the scale, it is visible. Mm, scale data. Okay. I think in our online drawing also it is these are all things are not available. I think so. Okay, so by changing the scale, these same type is visible. Okay, otherwise something is there. Okay, right now. So in this way, we can able to change the different type of the line. If you don't want means you can delete also, but this is a drawing we have drawn. Okay, so all of you understand, no? Uh, today's problem. Anybody having the doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Right, right. So you try this diagram also in your online AutoCAD. We'll make it as a second exercise. We are day by day we are try to do the problems. We'll learn. I think in online itself we can learn the basic things. Okay. ஸ்ரீதரன் லேப்டாப் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? யார்கிட்ட லேப்டாப் இல்லை? நம்ம இதில் 4 பேரில் ஈட்டி வச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸ்ரீதர்
இருக்கு
வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
சார்.
லேப்டாப் இருக்குல்ல?
இருக்கு சார். இருக்கு சார்.
அந்த ஆன்லைன் ஆட்டோகேட் போய் பார்த்தீங்களா?
ஆன்லைன் ஆட்டோ கார்டு இல்ல சார்.
நான் அன்னைக்கு
நான்
உங்களுக்கு
அந்த
கமெண்ட் அனுப்பி விட்டுருந்தேனே.
நான் சாஃப்ட்வேர் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? ஓகே. அப்படின்னா ஓகே. பெஸ்ட்டு. ஓகே. பெஸ்ட்.
எஜுகேஷனல் லைசன்ஸ்.
ஓகே, ஓகே. வெரி குட். ஓகே. ரைட். அப்போ அதை மற்றவங்களும் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருங்க. அவங்க இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணட்டும். ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா?
எஸ் சார்.
என்னன்னா ஆட்டோகேட் படிச்சீங்கன்னா என்னைக்குனாலும் யூஸ் ஆகும். நான் வந்து படிச்சது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2002ல படித்தேன். காசு கொடுத்து படித்தேன். 18 வருஷம் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஆனா இப்பவும் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா அது படிச்சது தான். என்னைக்கும் மறக்காது. படிச்சது மட்டும் மறக்காது. ஸோ தயவு செஞ்சு எல்லாரும் படிங்க. 2002ல படித்தேன் நான் ஆட்டோகேட். இன்னைக்கு வந்து 18 இயர்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. நிறைய வெர்ஷன்ஸ் வந்துருச்சு. பட் ஸ்டில் ஐ ஆம் யூசிங். ஸோ தயவு செஞ்சு எல்லாரும் ஒரு பேசிக்காக ஒரு விஷயத்த கற்றுக்குங்க. ரைட். இப்போ ஒரு வெரி குட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி, டைம் இருக்குது. ஸோ யூ கேன் டூ தட். ஓகே. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் வி கேன் ஏபிள் டு see the other problem. ஓகே. முடிச்சிடலாமா?
Yes, sir.
ஓகே.
எஸ் சார்.
ரைட்மா. ஓகே. தேங்க்யூமா. தேங்க்யூ. வில் see in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
தேங்க்யூ.